Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Nga yu i meneba kada don ka jinia ka discussion kada ka zero on notice abaki MP na kalian ka TMC ki wanra ante po parliament ia discussion ni tenrenga pa pan pisai hang ni kolomba ya kani ka issue kada ka bangi nadu mensua ni sanut ni amnut kum ka assembly berkoi bat kum ka jaj penriu bat kum ka jelai berkoi ba ka tin khasi ka tin karung ni kwa ba ka sarkar India kan penlong penrung no haka kernit ka bapra dan kalian jong ka assembly ru nilai pas ka official resolution haka bangila pa sa Delhi but nakan mau nilai penduk laisin sausin yau honorable home minister haka bau CM yalam yangi ban ya kendu ibu persli rengkat pada resolution haka bamenta na kalian government of dia kidang examine ya kini je nang ta susu ngatai piken mau haka bai Dr. Kalukiu ila raise kan isu apa parlimen de kam de isu ka ban ong ka batmai mereka de ka bangi na kalian jong ka NPP na kalian jong ka MDA government Brockway idon ka juk ka jimut ba ngin bu pressure ba ka government of India kan penrung no ya haga kernit ka bapra ya kini ki arteli ki ktin jong ka jela bi jungi ko ka ktin ka si ba ko ka ktin ka ru de na raw ngas ngau ban ong ba kanjing ya kanjing ka discussion pemerintah kasulong bit ka follow up action kaba to na kalian ka TMC kale tenai ko mo pi ya kan ki issue na kalian jungi nim tia nim dem bagi kemen scan ba hakawi keski ka sarkar India kan skap ya kan kanjing angnut bat ya kanjing kerpa na kalian jong state government bat kumju na kalian mi pai ba jong jalan kala jong ba ko you know well the procedures and the conduct of business inside the house, be it in the assembly, be it in the parliament. The discussion was there, and ultimately reply of the minister concerned also is there, where he is still saying we are examining. So are you trying to say that you will take mileage out of this? I think that is not fair, because this one, as I said to you, the documentary proof is already there from the assembly, the state Meghalaya Legislative Assembly who have said it. And number two, even our MP, Rajasbha, Dr. W. Kharpuri, he has already taken up this inside the house. Then again, now the TMC, they cannot say that we were successful. The question of successful does not rise. Because see, ultimately, from the government side, we have to keep following it up, put pressure to the government of India to include these two languages from Meghalaya, Khasi and Garo into the eight intention. It is very clear because the timing also see they taken up this time. Why not last year? What happened? Why last year you did not take it up? Is it because the MLA of Congress merged with TMC? I think we have to put this question. That time when you was with Congress, you never talk anything about the issue of age schedule. And this time, just few months away from now, where the general election will be held in the state of Meghalaya, they are trying to politicize it. They are trying to take mileage out of this, which is totally unnecessary. I yakadur besisya, jom kini leaders, kalong kadur gula. Kups ne langbrot, melengai mat, usuri itu usuri. Namar balada kilok serius sudah kata. Ke resolution ka mengisim, ka mengipas apa Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kalong arteli, kawai ILP, kabar, KH. Kini kita ke mengipas ke resolution. Padahal tu kapor kini ki perlu jongi ke beli nak TMC ru. Ki bahag to por ki dai Congress ki don la let's say hak tak por ki mon ka bangi gi don majority na kalian komen dia pasi gi resolution bro artli di dayang ta mong ki balai habla lek khang shiru Delhi balai la dharna balai ba kim sim sundon ya kan ki isu ILP ro dan ta ngaru ngabu jikli nga i long atati kabamut kini nakatiam si amut kim kwa ya ILP apo ka jalami kala ju nai mangi na ka NPP mangi ka MDA government ngani tu pi haduk kan ka klip baru ni kwa baka sarkar India akan ai di ya ILP dan nakara daw mengipasan da resolution apo ka house ni Maroko de kumta nasngobon omba kani ha menakani kipulut war katuski isim tangi ka arli kisu kawe komopi ya ka ichidel ya ka official language ka baar pada ya ka boundary pada kolong mar kompok ya ka boundary ki omba ngila niwan mengi ha kabor di kuapan scrap ya ketuka MOU kebiasaan ha pedeng armut ki chief minister megala batasam tetang hantar bisuku bagi ni ki beri matrai kilong arsap lain saw ngap tipsu ya pen musir ba ya ke jinglong jong ini ki noyelam jong
ngira pun
jing pop sip jong ki LP ngam tip ngatangin hapan kali dan ta mo pi ngam isania nga itip kumba najrong nga kum kalambrot dengan napok de suri namar bahagi syak bedukong so de LP ni kebikren ba de LP dengan nga imat kini kita ki bengi ong ki kata armut ki MLA jongka TMC nga tharai ki de proxy nang tin headquarter napo kolkata nga imat ka de kata de ya kata nga thai sung ba final pi nga ngala banong ba imat kini ki de ki proxy headquarter nang tin kolkata nakakadaw kim note man kren siapang ka ILP